So I'm doing a job and the customer's neighbor comes out and says to me, "Hey, you gotta help me out, please. Part of my roof blew off in the last storm." And I look up and I see that what he's actually talking about is the aluminum fascia board that covers the gable end of the roof. And I said, "Look, man, I'm sorry. I don't have the tool that I need to bend the aluminum like that. I called the siding guys and they can't come for a couple of weeks and about more damage." So I look at him and I'm like, "Yeah, alright, I could probably help you out." So obviously an aluminum brake would be ideal for this situation because you get the perfect bend in the aluminum right where you need it and it all fits and matches perfectly. But sometimes when the right tool isn't available, you have to improvise, and this workaround is perfectly acceptable because it's watertight, it's structurally sound, it's good to go. So if you want more helpful tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel, The Happy Handyman. And if there's anything you're working on that you need some help with, drop it in the comments below.